Hi, I'm Arpita and I have a dream called Buttercups. In 2008, when I went for my bra fitting, it changed my life. And this was a change I wanted to bring to a lot of other women who I knew had always had problems like me of never finding a right bra. And that's how Buttercups began. When I got fitted, I realized that my size is something that I had no idea about. I went around and looked and researched and figured that there are 150 sizes of bras available in the world, but in India we get only about 30 or 40 of them. This was an appalling number for me, and I decided that someone had to bring these sizes to India.
Sizes.
Yeah, sizes.
Yeah. It's just lack of variety and lack of options.
I just have to keep trying bras.
So I've had people tell me that we don't have your size.
Yeah.
And because I have a small frame, but I have to wear a large cup size and they just don't have my size. And it's embarrassing because they say, oh, this is the best we can do.
And whenever I go to, large department store, get them to measure me up and look at the size chart. But it doesn't quite work.
Feel like I wish it looked sexy and felt sexy.
And was comfortable.
Yeah.
And not
If it's
nano
comfortable,
fits.
it's not sexy. It doesn't look good.
I know a lot of women face the same issues that I had of not finding well-fitting bras. With Buttercups, I want to change that. Buttercups bras will be bras that will not only fit perfectly, they will be very well crafted in over 80 plus sizes, and they'll also be affordable. They'll not only be comfortable bras to wear, but they'll also be pretty and make you feel very, very sexy.
I think a good bra kind of boosts your confidence. Increases your choice in your wardrobe. You can experiment with the kind of clothes you wear. I'm the kind of person who wears very straight work kurtas. I without even trying a smaller size, will just go to an extra large section. I mean, I only had the experience recently to buy my first well-fitting bra ever, and it really did change my life. I couldn't believe it. And I felt like a different woman. I looked like a different woman. It's pretty cool.
Because I started wearing more dresses now, and I never ever thought that I'm going to be one of those girls who's going to wear those dresses.
I think sometimes you do not mind paying that a little extra, only because you're so desperate for that kind of confidence.
Exactly.
And to be able to increase the choice of your own wardrobe.
Yeah.
That you don't mind. You're like, I hope it does what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
Which makes a world of a difference to the way you look at yourself. Yeah.
See, if it can give me the comfort and make me feel good, then I would look at it as an investment.
Yeah.
I see a lot of women facing a lot of challenges in finding the right bras. Either they don't find the right size or they don't find the right fit. They have no idea about styles. They have no idea that different brands have a different sizing chart. It's always a mess when they go to try a bra. It's not a great experience and the product is terrible.
Something that can make you look beautiful. It's not industrial. It's got a little bit of lace.
Nice
something
fabric,
nice.
Consistent fit, that's the most important.
Yeah.
I
And
think
would
now
I
I've...
pre-order? Totally.
Yeah, absolutely. I don't mind committing to, investing. It's just, I don't mind doing that at all.
I would totally invest and pre-order.
I would pre-order. Oh, I'd definitely pre-order.
Yeah.
So here I am reaching out to all you wonderful people to help me realize my dream. All I need is for 3,500 of you to pledge 1,500 rupees. And this 1,500 rupees gets you an awesome, awesome Buttercups bra. Only it'll come to you 3 months late. Because once I've raised this money is when I can give you these bras. And in case we don't raise the 50 lakhs that we are hoping to raise, we will return your money to you with a lovely thank you note for having shown so much faith in us.